Ayo, look at my new home decor. It's a very expensive, very futuristic paperweight. Want to see it in action? Nothing. No suction, no vroom, just vibes. My Dyson V11 vacuum has officially ghosted me in the middle of a cleaning crisis. A la muck, stress level. This customer sent their silent Dyson V11 to us, and we're about to perform a full motor resurrection. So what actually happened here? Usually it's a heart attack, a faulty motor assembly. Whether it's an internal electronic failure or fine dust that choked the engine, a dead motor turns your premium vacuum into a futuristic broomstick. And please, don't ignore it. A struggling motor can fry your battery or cause a total hardware meltdown. That's a total loss you don't want. But don't toss it in the bin just yet. RoboCare has the solution to get your Dyson humming again. At RoboCare, we don't just fix it, we bring it back from the dead. Our tech surgeons perform a deep scan diagnosis. No guessing, no maybe, just pure high-tech confirmation. We perform a precision motor replacement using 100% genuine parts. No cheap knockoffs here, only the real deal for your Dyson. Before it goes home, it faces our booster test. If it doesn't suck the dust out of tomorrow, it doesn't leave the shop. We keep you updated every step of the way. No ghosting, just clear timelines. Professional? Yes. Meticulous? Absolutely. But enough talk. Let's see this Dyson vacuum back in action. Boom! Look at that. Maximum suction restored. From a la muck to amazing. With a fresh motor and a professional tune-up, this Dyson V11 vacuum is back to its day one performance. Total cleaning power, zero effort. Ready to save your Dyson vacuum? Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.